Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here right now to do a video reaction for Jimin's new music video. And of course, I have a visitor. Her name is Crystal. She's my niece. And yeah, she wants to see as well the new music video of Jimin. Are you familiar with BTS?
Yes, because of you.
Yeah, I influence her. Well, that's normal. And yeah, I think armies will like welcome you with open arms. Yeah, so yeah, so she's just starting. Just wanted to get to know more about the songs. So let's start.
Okay, let's watch now.
Yeah. Just let me know if may comments ka or want to say anything so we can pause.
Okay. 나로부터 위한 harmony I said love 자 이제 소개할게 시작된 건 6월 12일 행복의 선물함에 Say oh 정하지 못한 날 숨겨왔던 너의 마음 소리줄 거야 Just for you 저는 고민하지 마 우리가 함께니까 솔직해져봐 I love you babe
I love you too. Hindi, pero what I like about this first part of music
The first
video.
1 minute.
Yeah. Nung may mga bata. Di ba? Parang
It's new, no?
yeah, oo.
Usually
Tapos,
it's mature, mga
yeah. And also, there's like a difference between Jimin's previous songs, which is yung, I think we will create like a video reaction with you watching Set Me Free and the other songs
so
na
I
meron
can,
siya.
differentiate.
Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, okay.
I love you, babe. Yes, sir. I want you, babe. I wanna hold your hands. I want you, babe. Let's go. Better fade away. Ladies, 새롭게 이름으로 채니 넌 편하기만 해줘. 우리가 맞춰 잼. 느낌대로 계속 말 앞에서 말 못해도 널 위해서 매일 and choose for you. 달라지는 속도. 내 몸을 멈춰. 날짜도 없이 하루 종일 머리 위에 네가 떠있어 혹시라도 손 대면 나쳐 하고 터져버릴 듯이 커져 love 눈부신 하늘과 흩날리는 꽃들도 함께할 So tell me how you feel Cause I'm looking good at all 너무 맡겨봐 I love you, babe. Like I can't get no again. I love you, babe. Yes, sir. I want you, babe. I wanna hold your hands. I want you, babe. 많이 오르고 조명이 켜지면 모두
Galing! Galing, galing, galing! Okay. So, what can you say?
So, personally,
Hmm.
I usually give comments right after watching the whole video or clip so I can observe all. No?
Hmm.
So, my first observation would be, it's really unique. No? Kasi usually, K-pops or based on my observation sa mga before,
Yeah.
sa mga K-pops usually sayaw, dance, or collabs with other K-pop group din. Pero this cute siya, no? Kasi they included children and mga couples, no? And for me, this song is suitable for all ages.
Yeah.
No? Lahat kayang makasabay. It's really catchy song. No? Yung chorus pa lang. Then, so cute lang. And kung sa focus naman tayo kay Jimin. Syempre, wala nagbago. He's still charming, charismatic.
True.
Ganun pa rin. Pag nakita mo pala parang talagang And then, sa message ng song and the whole song, rin siya parang unique din. Why? When you heard the chorus for I love you, babe, I love you, babe, but the title, Esmeralda Garden Marching. So, parang layo, no? You would really think and you would really expect something. Tapos,
curious ka.
sa intro, parang something, political, tapos mga glitching moment. And then, pagdating dun sa mismong video, ganun parang siya ka-cute, ganun siya upbeat, ganun.
Yeah, and also, I think kasi my observation compared sa ibang songs niya, it's good to see Jimin exploring more with regards to sino yung collab niya, who's going to sing with, and I'm happy because he really knows who are the people na right person to collab with. Na hindi dahil sikat tong taong to, kundi it's for yung overall song. Sobrang swak. Like example, yung duet niya with Taeyang. So it's good as well. Alam mo yun, parang they are really exploring alone, but still, parang hindi sila nag-fail to include more on BTS. Like yung sign nila.
Usually rin kasi, di ba, kapag nag-collab ka, kailangan dun ka sa kakilala para maganda. Personally, I don't know Loco, no? I don't know him. Pero, they're a good match eh. So, siya kasi, parang hindi siya magkakalab sa tao dahil lang kilala or sikat. So, it's for the sake of the song mismo na binubuo nila.
Yeah, it's good and cute and siguro I'm really used of Jimin being so charming and very yung sabi mo kanina charismatic and also with kids.
Yun.
Parang it's always BTS with kids, Jimin with kids, parang nakakatuwa siya kasi like tama rin yung sinabi mo, like all genders, all ages can really relate. Oo, parang it's also very catchy, it's nice, and very colorful. Actually, natawa ako kasi before natin to panoorin, I've seen a lot of memes na, alam mo yung armies natin, sobrang
spoilers.
grabe talagang yung ang lawak ng kanilang imagination. Na-edit pa nila yung Jimin with dancing with Teletubbies.
Kasi yung background nasa grasa sa park.
Yeah. And also, na-include nila yung sunflower faces or memes ng mga kanya-kanyang BTS, which is so cute. Yeah, so overall, it's good. And I want her to see yung other music videos ni Jimin for you to compare. So, yeah. So, that's it. That's our reaction.
Kung ako sa inyo, watch nyo na. Yung mga nagtitimpi dyan, nakita nyo na, watch nyo na.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's it for us, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.